Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on force quitting an application on Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. With the application you would like to quit selected, click on the Apple button in the top left corner. Click Force Quit from the drop-down menu. Click Force Quit on the window. Then click Force Quit on the pop-up that appears. The application will be closed. There is also a way to force quit an application using keyboard shortcuts. To do this, press the Option, Command and Escape keys simultaneously. Select the application that you would like to force quit if it is not selected. Click Force Quit. Then click Force Quit again on the pop-up that appears. The application will be closed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.